Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to make a pie chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, open Google Sheets and create new project, or open your old project and select your categories. Select car or 14 and click on insert and select chart. Click on alright and change size. Chart editor, data range, label. Alright, and this switch rows columns, use, and alright, and customize chart style, background color, theme, white, chart border color and green, CD, maximize, right, and this, and none, and alright. Slice label, value, non-label, or this and this, tag value, label front and Comic Sans, label size, auto, bold, text color, pslice, carb, air by color, change color, distance from center, and this and this and this, and chart axis titles, amount, white, and legend, auto, left. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.